Buying a home is a huge deal, but so is the fear of regret. So let's get into buyer's remorse. 75%. That is a massive number. But what does it actually mean for home buyers like you?
It means 3 out of every 4 recent buyers have regrets. This is what we call buyer's remorse. So what's really behind this feeling? Let's look at the biggest reasons, starting with the house itself. Sound familiar? The dream of a big yard often clashes with the reality of maintaining it.
And it's not just about the yard. Too much maintenance or surprise repairs are a top regret.
Yep, almost a third of buyers completely underestimated how much work their new home would be.
So the big takeaway? Be honest with yourself, know your limits, and get a great inspection.
Now, this one isn't about repairs, it's about how the house actually functions for your lifestyle.
This happens when you get so focused on buying a house, you forget to find the right house. Okay, so you need a home that fits your life. But it's not just the house, it's where it is. This is a classic mistake, right? Falling in love with the house, but ignoring what's around it.
And this leads to regret number 3. The location is just plain wrong for you.
And check this out. Over a quarter of buyers wish they could just pick up their house and move it. So how do you actually put all this together to avoid these mistakes? Let's build a plan.
Right. This is your anti-remorse playbook. It's about shifting from anxious to confident.
First up, get crystal clear on your must-haves versus your nice-to-haves. This is key. These are simple actions you can take to stay grounded and make a clear-headed, informed choice.
And this piece of advice is gold. A pretty kitchen is easy to change. The layout and location, not so much.
Look, the goal isn't perfection. It's about finding the right home for you without the regret.
Because knowing your deal breakers and where you can compromise, that's really the whole key.
So I'll leave you with this. What's your number 1 deal breaker? Answering that is step 1.